Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is July the 10th. We're out here in Canton, Georgia. This is a new client, Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. They actually found me on YouTube. He sent me some pictures. Had some residue on the floor. So this morning I went out and did a consultation for a sanding job, which my guy Aaron is going to be doing in 2 weeks. Then I got a few more consultations after this in the city. So what we're doing here, guys, it's a small project. It's like a little bit over 700 square feet. Again, Mr. Robinson, I never came out here to do an in-home consultation. A lot of my jobs, they do just send me pictures and videos and just book it straight off of that. Just like the one we're doing tomorrow in Midgettsville, close to Macon. We're doing a dealership. So what we're doing here today, guys, I got my guy T, and also we have a ride along, Christopher. He's from the Michigan area. He drove out yesterday. We're doing a engineered floor. They've already removed the residue. Now we're screening the floor. Then we're going to coat it, do a little color correction, and UV cure it. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Canton, Georgia. It's a little bit above like Kennesaw, Ackworth area, right up 575. So these are the floors that we're doing. Those are the typical engineered floors. So the client had a residue issue. So Christopher and Tavares came in this morning and removed all the residue, and now they are screening the floors. So that's Christopher from Michigan. Yes, yes, yes. Want to get more into the wood floors. So what he's doing now is just doing an abrasion. We're using some special diamond pads to abrade the engineered floors. All right. So this is what we're going to be doing. This kitchen. And then what I'm going to do after we put the coating down, I'm going to let them take a lunch break, and I'm going to have them come back and UV cure, because I have 2 more consultations to do in the city of Atlanta. And yeah, and then he'll also be with us tomorrow. It's going to be 4 of us tomorrow. It's going to be me, Tavares, Aaron, and also Christopher doing the dealership tomorrow. We're also going to be doing the same thing, screen recoat, UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Trim and buff and pop that thing. Buff, buff, pop that thing. Round, 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 go to pad real fast. Make them hardwood floors all flash. Trim and buff and pop that thing. Buff, 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 pop that thing. Shine so hard when the light hit right. Whole floor glowing all night. Pull up quick with the buffer machine. Hit them floors, make them extra clean. Extract dirt, then we let it spin. Bring that natural shine back in. Climb like, whoa, hold on now. Didn't know my flows could look like wow. Buffy left, buffy right. Now the whole house shining bright. Yeah, pop that thing. Yeah, buff that thing. Buff that, trim and buff and pop that thing. Buff, 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 pop that thing. Round, 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 go to pad real fast. Make them hardwood floors all blast. Trim and buff and pop that thing. Fresh, clean, shine from wall to wall. Now the whole house standing tall. Kitchen clean, hallway glowing. Watch that buffer keep on going. Round, round, round with the smooth glide. Now the shine got extra pride. Neighbors peeking through the blinds, asking who make floors look fine. Truman did it once again. Buff and pop, then hit the next.
Yes, ma'am. It looks good. You like that sheen? The satin, that's what most people go with. They like that satin sheen. Not too shiny. Got kind of use some nice middle ground. Yep. All right, guys. We're about to start UV curing in about 20 minutes. I'm going to let Tavares and Christopher take care of that, because I got to go into the city. I got 2 consultations to do. But my client just told me they was about to rip these floors up, because these are engineered floors. So these floors cannot be sanded. He said just for the floor, just for the wood itself, was $6,500. That's not including labor, and also most of the expense would have went just ripping this floor out, because this floor is glued down. But you can see, guys, we got these floors restored. Clients are very happy with it. And again, Mr. Everett found me on YouTube, and he said he was so glad he found me on YouTube so we can save these floors. All right, guys. Well, it looks great. Now you can walk in there. It's good. That's where we started. All right, guys. Huh? Yeah, about 10 more minutes. You start UV curing. Oh. Yep, and then we'll work ourselves back out. All right, guys. Your wife said, you save us a lot of money. Yeah, see, yep. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. UV curing. And one thing about the UV cure, you can literally feel and smell it cooking that finish. And the client was just telling me how much money we save them. Again, just for the floor, just for new floors, just for the floor, without ripping this floor out, prepping the concrete for the new floor and putting the new floor in. He said, Courtney, just the wood was $6,500. This job on it was almost a little bit close to $3,000. So we saved them almost more than half just with the cost of wood. To replace this floor, to pull this floor out, put new floor in with new he probably been looking about anywhere from about $12,000 to $15,000. Compare that to $3,000 and also done in one day. All right, guys. See you in the next one.